Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert XRP to USDT in Binance. First of all, open the Binance application in your mobile here. Tap on these three bars in the top left corner here. And then when you are here, tap on this more services. Scroll down a bit and you will see this option here, trade. In trade, you can see this first one here, convert. Just simply tap on this convert and you will see this kind of interface now. There are two sections. So first of all, tap on this drop down here and you have to select XRP here. Search for XRP, tap on it, and now in the second drop down you have to select USDT. So tap on the drop down again and tap on this USDT. Now enter the amount of XRP. Let's say I'm going for 100 and you will see how many XRP you will convert and how many USDT you are getting. Just simply tap on this preview. Now it will ask you to confirm your order and you have to simply tap on the deposit and it will ask you some information relating to this particular order. So just tap on deposit button and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to convert XRP to USDT in Binance. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.